Can Sharp TV AirPlay? Yes, some Sharp TVs support AirPlay, allowing users to wirelessly stream content from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac to the TV. However, AirPlay is available only on certain Sharp Smart TV models that have Apple AirPlay 2 built in. If AirPlay is not supported, users can use third-party apps or HDMI adapters as alternatives. 1. How to use AirPlay on a Sharp TV. Step 1. Ensure the Sharp TV and iPhone, iPad, and Mac are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On the Sharp TV, go to Settings, then Apple AirPlay Settings, and turn AirPlay on. Step 3. On an iPhone or iPad, swipe down to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 4. Select the Sharp TV from the list and enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV if prompted. 2. How to stream videos. From iPhone to Sharp TV using AirPlay. Step 1. Open a video app like YouTube or Apple TV on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the AirPlay icon, a rectangle with a triangle. Step 3. Select the Sharp TV from the list. Step 4. The video will play on the TV while the iPhone acts as a remote. 3. What to do if AirPlay is not working on Sharp TV. Ensure AirPlay is enabled in the TV settings. Restart the TV and iPhone, iPad, Mac, and try again. Update the Sharp TV firmware to the latest version. Check Wi-Fi connection and make sure both devices are on the same network. Use an HDMI adapter, Lightning to HDMI, if AirPlay is not supported. 4th alternatives. If Sharp TV does not support AirPlay, use third-party apps like AirScreen or a Power Mirror for screen mirroring. Use an Apple TV device to enable AirPlay on any Sharp TV. Connect with an HDMI adapter for a direct wired connection. Some Sharp Smart TVs support AirPlay, while others require third-party apps or external devices. If AirPlay is not working, checking settings, updating firmware, or using an alternative method can help.